Man, I am so freaking bored right now.
I agree with you, Diggie's dad. What should we do? I got it. Let's torture Diggie for no reason.
Marley, that is the best idea ever. Let's give that jerky piece of crap what he deserves.
Well, now that it's spring break, I am thinking of what I can do to have some fun and...
Hello, you ugly piece of crap from hell. It's time to be tortured.
What? Whose idea was this?
It was my freaking idea, because we freaking hate you. Now prepare to be tortured.
You suck.
Diggie, watch your language.
Grrr. I freaking hate my family so freaking much. I just want to freaking move out of this worthless household. What should I do now? I know. I am going to lock my family in the storage by tricking them that there are $1 billion in the storage room. Oh my god, guys, there's $1 billion in the basement.
Holy freaking crap. That is so amazing, we are so freaking rich. Come on everyone, let's go check it out.
Hey! There is not $1 billion down here. Looks like Diggie was playing a trick on us. Now we are going to punish that piece of freaking crap. He locked us in. Now we can't get out.